Oh, hi.
Hello, robe.
That's right. This is a robe, not
And it's so luxurious. I have the same one.
coat. I just have to say, I'm not cooking in a coat. It's a robe.
Yeah. It's very comfy. It's got a nice weight to it.
Yes.
It's from Target.
I got it for Christmas.
Same.
And it is amazing. All right, so let's begin. Now that we've cleared that all up, let's begin. So today, the cookbook that I have chosen for Veganuary Day 8 is the plant-based cooking made easy from the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show on YouTube. I've been watching this husband and wife for a long time, and I got their first cookbook. I didn't get their Kickstarter, or I can't remember what venue it was called. Whether it was a Kickstarter or a GoFundMe, or I didn't get it in time for the second cookbook, but I do have their first cookbook. And it's a really good cookbook because they have some delicious food in here, and it's really, really easy. So today we're making bean and cheese enchiladas.
Yum, yum, yum.
How many times do you walk into the store and you see burritos and you see, oh, bean and cheese.
Yeah.
But it's not vegan cheese.
It's a bummer because I love to get down with a good burrito.
Me too. I love a bean burrito, but I'm not all about the cheese. So if only they just had a bean burrito and we could add our own vegan cheese at home. We're not even asking for vegan cheese. Just leave the cheese out.
Yeah.
Alright, so this one is actually 3 separate recipes. It is the enchilada sauce, which we're going to be making first. It's the filling, which is, you know, beans and tofu. And then the cheese is the third one.
I feel like we're at story time at like the library or something.
Alright, so let's make the enchilada sauce first. We're going to be making it in the blender. So I'm adjusting the amounts because this is for 8 small people. 8 children, I feel like. We eat big portions. We just do. I'm not going to apologize for it. So I'm going to do my own thing here, but I'm going to follow the letter of the recipe. So I've got is this 32 ounces? I think it's 28 ounce can.
It's a big old can.
Of chopped tomatoes.
Yummy.
Ooh, that's a lot of tomatoes. Sorry, we just watched Drag Race, and I am like in Drag Race mode now.
Yeah.
I'm also putting in an onion, 3 garlic cloves. Don't tell me husband, I'm putting in the hot sauce.
Well, what's the heat on that? Is it just
Hot.
mild? Oh, it's hot? Oh, no.
I'm only putting in, like, that much.
That's kind of a lot.
Yeah, but look at how much sauce that's going to
No,
make.
I know, but Dad's going to sniff that out immediately.
Don't tell him. Don't tell him, and I'll act surprised when he's like, where did the heat come from on this? Shh.
Oh, so you do know all the time when he's asking?
No, not all the time.
Sometimes she'll be like, oh, I don't know. Is it
No.
like in the sauce or?
No, sometimes I am actually surprised, but this time I wasn't. We're also putting in a small can of tomato paste.
Yum, yum, yum.
Take your antacids
I was going to
now.
say, this is like
a trigger meal.
triggering for
Yes.
that GERD.
See, I don't
that
have
acid
GERD,
reflux.
so I have like no idea what that's like.
It's like you have a volcano in your esophagus.
I can't imagine.
Stuff comes up. Anyway.
Thanks for sharing. Story time. Alright, so we got that all in there. Now we're going to add our spices. We're going to put in some cumin, because what is a good Mexican dish without some cumin in it?
You need it.
Yes, you do. And the final ingredient is cocoa powder, which I did not take out. I have to run over here.
Are you Ariana Grande?
Yes.
I feel like she was walking like that at the Golden Globes
She
last
was.
night.
Yes, this cabinet is chock full. Don't act surprised.
Chock full of goodness. Also,
Have you seen?
yeah, Mozart in the Jungle.
Have you seen the rest of the kitchen? All right. We're gonna put in some cacao. Cacao to cacao. That's like, don't act surprised, because that's like a very common
It's traditional.
thing to put in Mexican cooking.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we'll just put that over here for now. And that's it for the enchilada sauce. So we're gonna blend this up.
It's gonna be delicious.
Yes, and then we're gonna cook it in that pan over there for a few minutes, because right now the onions are raw and the garlic is raw. We want them cooked before.
True, true.
Yeah. Plus, I think we need to reduce it a little bit.
Yeah. Yes, chef.
Blend. All right. Oh my God, you smell that already?
It smells good.
Yeah. So I'm gonna pour this out, but don't get rid of your blender yet, because we're gonna be making the cheese sauce in there.
Oh.
I'm not even gonna rinse it out. I'm just gonna scrape it out as best I can.
Yeah.
And then, because like, why bother? I'm not.
It's all
one of
going
those,
to the same place.
Exactly. I'm not like the other people in my family who are like, don't have the food touching. Throw it out if it touches. It's no good. All right, we're going to turn this on and simmer this for a little bit.
Okay.
Oh, hi, we're back.
We're back.
This is cooking, and yes, it is making a very high-pitched noise
It's driving me crazy. I feel like my head's going to explode.
Just turn it there. Is that
Yeah,
better?
that's better.
It's going to start bubbling up, though.
We'll keep an eye on it.
All right, well, now we're going to make the filling. So I've already opened and drained a can of dark red kidney beans.
Mm-hmm.
Now they are saying use 1 can of beans and 1 thing of tofu. That's
We need
not
more.
enough. We need more. All right, so we're also going to be using some refried beans, because I don't want to have to smash too many beans. Because I already screwed myself. Because I have to use the extra firm tofu, because that's all I have. Because I have one that's good. Look at this. It's just gonna...
Yeah.
But that one, it's like jackhammer time.
Oh boy.
Hammer time. Alright, so I'm going to start by smashing these. And it's going to take forever.
Get in that arm workout. Don't skip arm day.
I know. I'd rather do this like I Love Lucy.
Yeah.
Like if I had a barrel, I would just take my feet out of my shoes and
Ew.
wash them.
Well, if you wrapped them in like plastic
Plastic
or something,
bags?
a plastic bag. I just can't with feet on the food. Like, no. That ain't it.
Well, how do they do that then? Because they definitely go in there.
No, I know for wine, like for grapes, they do that with
Yeah.
like feet, but like, ugh.
I'm not drinking that.
No.
All right, I'm not going to bore you guys.
Yeah,
with
we'll
this.
be back.
All right, you are doing a phenomenal job.
Trying.
We're
This
also,
thing keeps like snapping back.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Trying to put it back. Go ahead.
If you squeeze it, it will.
I don't want to have to touch the stuff.
No. Yeah, but like like that.
Whoa!
So it also calls for some aminos. Whoa, girl.
I'm just gonna smash it like this for a bit.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's kind of cutting up the tofu, so
Yeah, that's good.
whatever you gotta do.
And also some paprika.
So that's how it is, when it is. Stop that nonsense.
Whoa.
Understand? I can understand.
Some onion powder.
We're making it happen.
Yes. And as soon as you're done with that, we're going to start the cheese sauce.
Okay.
All right, it's time to make the cheese sauce. And the star of the cheese sauce is cashews.
Oh.
And I think I have just the right amount. They say use half a cup, but we're basically like doubling this recipe, so I'll just put it all in.
Okay.
We're going all in, baby.
We also have a Thomas the Tank Engine show running right now.
Yeah, sorry about that. It's a little chattery in here. We got some lemon juice going in. We got some Dijon mustard, also known as Dijon.
Lovely.
Yes. We have a little bit of white balsamic vinegar.
Now your turn.
The bottle looks so fancy.
It is fancy. This is like $7.
You got it.
but we got it on sale.
Okay.
I don't have any aminos like I didn't for the enchilada sauce, so I'm just, or was the aminos were in there.
Yeah.
So I'm using tamari because I'm gluten-free for the most part.
Mm-hmm.
Then some nooch, of course. This is a constant vegan theme. Nooch on everything, baby.
Gotta love the nooch.
4. And some Wawa.
Wawa. Barbara Wawa.
That's right. And is that it? Let's see. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Yes.
That's not
Okay.
sea salt.
So we're just going to blend that up. And why don't you come back and we'll put it all together.
We forgot something.
I forgot to add some of the enchilada sauce into the filling mixture.
It's looking good though.
Smells great.
Yeah, it does.
Alright, I'm going to get rid of this thing and go with
Got
a
a little
spoon.
inside here.
Yeah, I'm looking for some sort of a implement to...
To transfer.
Yeah.
What's it gonna be?
Here we go.
Beep beep.
Yippee-yi-yi-ki-yo. Is that what it is?
No. The yippee-ki-yay
Oh.
mother effer.
Yeah, but that's different. There's another one too.
Okay.
So this is going to be like lasagna rules.
Oh, it's just mayhem in here.
I know.
Oh, he's barking because my dad is just getting home from work.
Yes. Alright, we're back. Even though I heated these tortillas up, I feel like they are going to break so easily.
Do your best.
I mean, I could do it like...
Lasagna.
Yeah.
I thought that's what you were doing.
No. I was going to do like enchiladas. Oh, maybe they won't be so bad. Do I try? We'll see. We'll see. So, basically, we're going to fill these. Rollin', rollin', rollin'. Get those enchiladas rollin'.
Enchiladas.
Yeah. I probably don't do this very well. I'm sure all the people who know how to cook Mexican food are laughing.
Well, you do your best.
I always do.
All right, so we line the whole...
The whole
Shebang.
shebang. Yep. As many as we can fit in here.
All right.
Alright, we got the first layer done.
Ooh.
So I guess we're going to do it like lasagna and put a little bit of sauce.
Mm-hmm. Smells so good.
The sauce smells amazing.
Like all of it smells so good together.
Well, I wish you were eating with us.
Yeah,
But you'll
we'll have it for lunch
tomorrow. Yeah.
I know. It's watery.
Yummy, yummy.
I know, right?
Of course it is.
You don't want it to be dry.
No.
So then I guess we'll pour a little bit of the cheese sauce as well.
Oh, yeah.
And then we'll put our second layer.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll do the same thing.
Okay. So we'll come back before it goes in the oven.
Yes.
Putting on that last bit of cheese.
Putting on the Ritz, baby. I did run out of tortillas, full disclosure, so this part is just filling.
That's okay.
Yeah. It'll be fine.
Yeah, it's looking good.
Thank you. Now this is going to go in at 350 for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
That's less than an hour and you're already eating.
Mm-hmm.
I like that.
We'll take it.
Oh boy, I left it in a little bit too long, but it looks fine. It almost looks like a lasagna.
Yeah,
Looks really creamy.
yeah, it is.
Oh, so wonderful.
I'll dump it.
It's blazing hot too.
Not sure if there was any
Tortilla on that
there,
one?
yeah.
There was a part that didn't have... Take it from this one.
Yeah, I think it's
Can I help you?
It's too late now. You had your chance. Now you're gonna watch me destroy it.
I know, you're really mashing it up here.
Yeah, there's a tortilla in there.
Alright, well... You gonna have some lettuce with yours?
Well, this is for Sean.
Okay. Well, I'd really love to see you taste it.
Would you know?
I would, but please be careful, sir, because it's quite hot.
Mm-hmm. It's hot.
Oh. But is it good?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
Would you like any taco sauce or anything?
Maybe.
Yeah? Or some yogurt?
Yeah, I was thinking of that too.
We use the cashew plain forager yogurt,
You could
like
do
a
that.
sour cream.
Yeah, or you could even do some avocado.
Yeah, you could definitely do some avocado if you like. I'm going to have olives that I just emptied into that jar. I'm not going to have the whole jar, but I'm going to have a good portion of them.
Okay.
Because unfortunately, I'm the only one who likes olives.
Yeah, well, Sean doesn't.
Yeah, he does. I never think to give it to him, though.
Oh, put some salsa on.
Oh, yes. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you give it a try.
Another success.
Oh, thank you. That was very sweet of you. I was just telling Mark that we're out of our rut now because we're going to have a different dish basically for the entire month of January. No repeats, pretty much.
No repeats.
So it's going to be a great, great month because everything is new. It's like we're dating again.
It's crazy.
I know. Happy Veganuary. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. And until then, much love.